Hi there, Dave with Crandall Office, and today we're going to be showing you how to install the trim piece on a Steelcase Gesture Chair. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, so to get started, this is going to be a quick and easy one. The only tool you're actually going to need is going to be either a screwdriver or a drill with a T20 Torx bit. The first thing we're going to do though is we're going to remove the seat on the Gesture. And so to do that, we do have another video that's going to show this a little bit more in depth. We'll have a link in the description below. We're just going to roll the seat forward, depress that button, and then get that seat to come right off. So quick and easy to remove that seat. We're going to set that aside. We're going to, if this trim piece is already installed, you will need to remove the one that's installed. So if it's broken or anything along those lines, you're going to take your T20 Torx. You're going to remove this one screw here, and you'll see this trim piece comes right off, and you can pop the screw out if you need to. Hey there, it's Dave. Just walking through to remind you to like and subscribe. So next, you're going to take your replacement trim cover piece. You're going to put it into place here and line up the hole with the hole in the mechanism. And I'm just gonna kind of get that started by hand there. And then I'm going to tighten the T20 Torx screw. And you're gonna wanna make sure not to over tighten this. You can crack the plastic and break the piece, so you wanna make sure that that's snug but not over tight. So now that we have this back installed, you can see it's back firmly in place. We're going to take the seat and we're going to reinstall the seat. Again, quick and easy install. We do have a link in the description with another video for how to run through this process. But essentially all you're going to do is line up the rails here, slide it till it stops, and then start rolling, putting forward pressure on the seat and start rolling the seat slider backwards. And you can see it's going to start grabbing that. You're going to hear that click. That click is the seat locking into place. Make sure that it rolls back and forth and everything's working properly. And with that, your installation is complete. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video on how to install the trim piece on your Steelcase Gesture Chair. If you found this video helpful, go ahead and click the like and subscribe buttons below. If you've got any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to us on our website, crandalloffice.com, our Facebook page, anywhere you can reach us, we're always here to help. So thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time. How to install the seat trim piece on a Steelcase Gesture Chair. I forgot to grab it. And today we're going to be showing you how to install the seat gesture, the seat gesture. Install this trim piece on a Steelcase. Man, I gotta. That's too many things to think about. Yeah. Okay, all right. I'm complicating.
There's a great ring to it too.